Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so get this out of the way. Tuesday, we make all-time highs. Yesterday, we did a full test of the 9-day. That's the blue line here. And I know I won't shut up about the 9-day when it comes to the daily chart, but it's pretty obvious why I won't shut up. And it's because every time it tests the 9-day, the damn thing holds, and it just keeps bleeding higher. Okay? And that's what makes one of these rallies that people like to fight, and you know, it's a slow this and a slow that, and what are we doing, and what's going on, and people get indignant and the whole thing. Look, it's got support at the 9-day, and it keeps bleeding up and making highs. So yesterday was the first full-on attempt to trade below it. They blew it. They blew it down at 75 and change, but at least they tried. They haven't genuinely tried since back on October the 23rd. So we're trading above it in Globex now. 87.5 was my risk marker for the Globex trade last night, and it's bumped its head in there quite a few times. 87 quarters or low. It did that, I don't know, 20, 25 minutes ago, right around 8:35 in the morning. The bulls, though, have had tremendous difficulty with the 3100 area. Basically 3092 and above, the bulls have looked pretty tired. I'll be interested to see if they can take out that 3102 today, or you're going to continue to see, let's go to the hourly chart. I mean, you see some potential for lower highs. What you have right now, though, potentially is kind of a larger triangle here to here and up to here. Say you pull it back to here, and then we do this thing. So we're consolidating at highs again, but on a much wider scale, on a pretty tradable scale. So yesterday was a pretty solid day in the room, and you know, we've just been leaning on that. We've just been leaning on the 87.5 marker in the overnight, and we'll get into the open here. For the open, what's important to me, you've got the daily pivot at 89.67. Our proprietary moving average is 90.5. Hourly midband basically 92. Volume weighted average price basically 92. So call it, you know, you got the 87 marker is one thing, but as far as a bull bear line, as far as an area that needs to be converted for whoever's going to be victorious this morning, it's really 92. So that's my focus. All right, we open in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the stop button, put this out there. Take care, trade them well, get your butt in the room and trade with us. All the best. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.